All right, everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with the Vegan Zombies, brother. And what we're gonna do today are brownies. So we're gonna take our brownie mix. We're gonna dump it in a bowl. Plop! All gone. This is the easiest recipe you'll ever do. Vegan Zombies, brother. Brownies. All right. I usually don't use a mixer, but I'm going to use a mixer today. First time. We'll see how it goes. We're almost done. Can you believe that? We're almost done. We're going to take 1/3 cup of soy milk. Boop. We'll put that right in. And I use Silk Original. And we're gonna do 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Bloop. And you're like, sounds pretty easy. What's the catch? There's no catch. It's so simple. Then we're gonna do 1/4 cup of what I like to use, applesauce, or 1 pouch of apple. Ready? Get it all in there, because 1 pouch is about 1/4 cup. I've measured it before. Okay, so you're thinking, that's pretty easy. And you know what? You're right. We're done. We're gonna stir this baby up. And there you have it. Now, there's two very important things you need to know about this recipe. I cook them in a pan for about 39 minutes. That makes the brownies like perfect. Okay? 39 minutes on 350. Okay? So those weren't the 2 important things. Here's the 2 important things you need to know. If you want the Vegan Zombies Brothers brownies, you need, absolutely have to, no compromise, have to use this brand. Duncan Hines Dark Chocolate Fudge Brownies. Now, I've tried this recipe with other brownies. This is the best. And everybody's like, Brian, your brownies are so delicious. Can I have your recipe? And up until now, I have never, ever shared this recipe. Okay? But I'm gonna tell you a little secret, okay? If you buy these brownies, Duncan Hines Dark Chocolate Fudge Brownies, it's on the side of the box. It's not even my recipe, but I made everybody think it was. Just go buy a box of brownies and make some freaking zombie vegan brownies. Bye-bye.